Fart test 1, standby studio.
Beano commissioned a scientific study to understand why humans find flatulence so funny. My team identified over 170 different types of unique fart sounds. Different pitches, durations and frequencies produce incredibly interesting results. Intensity and length are very important, as are the number of kids that are present and also the age and the gender.
So we've been experimenting with a number of different techniques to recreate the natural sound of human flatulence. We've studied the sound forms and patterns associated with various fart noises, from the common quack and cheeky squeaker, all the way up to the show-stopping thunder blunder.
Context is critical. So if a person farts on their own, it's one thing, but if a TV presenter lets one slip on the 10 o'clock news, it's quite another.
This has been one of the most complex investigations in Beano history. Finally, we are able to reveal the world's funniest fart.
3,
2,
1.
Classic, yeah. That's a beaut.